Hi, my name is Kurt Steiner, and I am the CEO and founder of the CharityHowTo brands. And we've been getting some calls, some chats, a couple of emails for folks saying, "Hey, where's your emails? I love all this free events that you provide and the free webinars and the workshops and everything." Well, turns out some of our emails have been going to people's junk folder, and we want to be able to help you fix that because a lot of folks want to get our free content. In fact, 80% of the Charity How To community leverages our free content only, and we're so happy to give back. But let's help fix that problem. All you do on the left hand side here is look to your junk mail folder right here, and we see in my junk box there is actually one from Malia at Charity How To about a free event. So to fix that, it's real simple. Right click on top of the email itself, scroll down to where it says junk right there, and then never block sender's domain. So you click that, and very important not to forget this last little step. Okay, you're all set. Thank you so much. We look forward to seeing you on a free event or a premium event at Charity How To. Have a wonderful rest of your day. Bye bye.
Thank you to Charity How To.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, Charity How To.
Thank Charity How To.
Thank you, Charity How To.
Thank you, Charity How To.
Thank you so much.
I am so grateful to Charity How To.
I really can't say enough good things about Charity How To.
Charity How To, I love you.